Is your air conditioner in need of repair? Maybe you're looking to find the absolute lowest price on a new, more efficient air conditioning unit for your home. Whichever the case may be, you need to call Proficient Air. Proficient Air has been serving the homeowners of South Florida for more than 17 years now. Let me tell you what you'll get when you call Proficient Air. You'll receive fast, friendly, professional service, a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee, 24-hour-a-day emergency service 7 days a week, and the lowest prices guaranteed. We're a member of the Better Business Bureau, as well as being a FPL participating independent contractor. We're also NATE and Maytag IQ certified. So what are you waiting for? Pick up the phone right now and call Proficient Air. I promise you'll be glad you did. Also, mention this video commercial when you speak with us, and your service call will be absolutely free. That's right, absolutely free. But you have to mention this video commercial when you call. Or for more information about Proficient Air, simply go to our website by clicking on the link right below this video where it says www.proficientair.com.